everyone. This is the PSH, a very robust tractor drill commonly used in the construction of fences and sheds. It is available in versions with 9, 12, or 18-inch drill bits. Now for some important technical information. Drill frame. Drill. Hitch header. Reduction gear. Drive shaft. Drill knife. Helical spring. Hitch pin. Drill tip. Drill leveling regulator. Protection set. To facilitate transport, the PSH leaves the factory pre-assembled. It will only be necessary to couple the tractor and mount the drill on the implement, okay? Hook up to the drill punch. Check if the tractor is weighted at the front or front wheels. Slowly approach the drill in reverse gear. Level the tractor's lower arms with the hitch header using the hydraulic control lever. Adjust the eye of the lower arms and engage the winch. Engage the drill lift arm into the third point engagement. Assemble the drive shaft. Make sure the internal and external terminals are in the same plane and aligned. Check the clearance of the telescopic shaft. It must be between 5 and 7 centimeters. Finish by coupling the drive shaft to the tractor's PTO and to the gearbox. The hitch will only be completed when the lock pops out, okay? Attach the drill to the gearbox. It's ready. See how the drill arrives and how it should look after assembly. Now, let's see some possible settings that the PSH has. The perforator has a system that allows the adjustment of its height. Remove the cotter pin. Flat washer and pin. Choose the hole with the desired setting, according to the height of the tractor. Finish replacing everything. To make the vertical adjustment of the drill, proceed as follows. Lower the drill until the tip of the drill touches the ground. Move the tractor until the bit is in the 90-degree position. Release the lock and adjust the screw until it touches the top plate of the frame. Here are some important tips to prolong the life of your PSH. PSH has the following options: drills in standard 9, 12, or 18 inches. Always talk to a Baldan dealer about your needs and working conditions. Your drill punch is unique, so it's very important to keep your ID visible for any query, okay? The nameplate has model, serial number, manufacturing date, in addition to a QR code. When scanned with your phone, leads directly to the instruction manual, parts catalog, and this video. Oh, and so that no one is left without information, your PSH comes with a printed version of the manual, which is included with your invoice. Until next time, everyone.